U.S. manufacturing is seeing a resurgence, and smart stock pickers should get on board, says my next guest, Jim Kee. Welcome, Jim.
Thank you.
All right, so why are American manufacturers more competitive?
Well, the global shippers will tell you that the outsourcing trend has ended and is starting to come back in sourcing, and that means, along with higher wages overseas, more manufacturing in the United States. I wouldn't call it a renaissance, maybe a bit of resurgence.
All right, so Wall Street really liked GE's second quarter earnings not too long ago. Kind of missed on the top line, but they liked the bottom line, beat by around a penny, I think. What they really liked is the fact that it's moving away from GE Capital and back towards making things. What do you like about GE?
Those things. GE is more of a diversified play in a single name. I wouldn't worry about the top line. You know, we've had global growth slowing. We might be reaching an inflection point there, but longer term, manufacturing means General Electric as much as anything.
And what about Rockwell Automation, another stock that you like?
That's a great company. It basically helps companies build out their manufacturing, and plus the higher wages overseas accelerates automation, and Rockwell is strongly tied into automating facilities, manufacturing facilities.
All right, from automation to automobiles. We've seen Ford and GM announce very good earnings. They're building more cars. They're offering more jobs. What happens if rates spike? Will this really take down the automakers because people won't be able to finance cars as easily?
You know, it's something to consider, but I don't think it's strong enough to swamp the fact that, you know, the average age of the automobile on the road is about 12 years. The newer vehicles built by Ford and GM are better, more fuel efficient, and technologically more advanced, and that's what people want.
All right, we're also making a lot more of our own energy now. And that's the reason why you like Dresser-Rand, which makes the compressors, right?
That's right. Reciprocating anything that compresses, moves, pumps, transmits fluids, which is all oil and gas. That's Dresser-Rand. They're also involved increasingly in LNG, liquefied natural gas, which I think is going to be a big part of the industry over the next 10 years. And they're coming up with more environmentally friendly solutions, so they're well positioned there.
All right. Thanks a lot, Jim.
Pleasure to be here.
Thank you for watching The Street.